Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect SJCAM C200 with Android smartphone. And to do this, first you will need to download SJCAM Zone app on your smartphone. Then when it's ready, open the app. And here we can move to the camera. You need to click and hold the Wi-Fi button for a few seconds until you see the QR code, and it's right here. Now use your smartphone to connect the camera using the scan code. Also give it a few permissions like a camera one that I'm giving right now. And then we can scan the actual code on the camera. Allow. And connect the device. And as you can see, it's ready and connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.